My name is Shruti Suman Sahu from 3rd D. Good morning, respected principal sir, parents, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak a few lines about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was a Diwan of Porbandar. His mother, Putli Bai, was a religious woman. He was very much influenced by his mother. He was great nationalist and social reformer of India. He played vital role for the independence of India. He started various movements against the British. They are non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and quit India movement. He used two weapons against the British. They are truth and non-violence. He spent his whole life for the independence of India. That's why we called him Bapuji, or the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi's famous slogan was "Do or die." Thank you.
Respected Madam and my dear friends, good evening to all. Today I am going to speak a few lines about father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Until Gandhiji was thrown out from the first class compartment of a train, he was just normal person like any other Indian at the time. But there is one interesting thing which we can learn from this incident, and one can apply this to every walk of life. He followed his mission slowly and steadily. He decided to make free India from Britishers and applied his principle Satya, truth, ahimsa, non-violence, and shanti, peace. He won freedom for India and dearly called as father of our nation. Thank you.
बापूजी भले तात मन बापूजी पालल दादा बापूजी।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम मयूर है। मैं कक्षा 2वीं में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं गांधी जी से संबंधित एक कविता आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ। गांधी जी के बंदर तीन, खाते नहीं किसी से चीन। आंख बंद कर कहता है कभी ना बगाई को मत देख। नंबर 2 मुंह पर रखा कहता करो ना गंदी बात। नंबर 3 कान पर रखा कहता सुनो ना गंदी बात। गांधी जी के बंदर थे, खाते नहीं किसी से चीन। धन्यवाद।
Namaste, I am Chinta Bhavna Kruti from 5th A. Today I am going to perform a dance on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव